In this section, you will learn how to apply CSS or Cascading style sheet for our bookstore website. You know, in the website, CSS specifies the presentation of the website, whereas HTML specifies the content, the structure of the website. In other words, HTML defines how the website, what the website looks like, and CSS defines how it looks like. CSS for the presentation of the website, color, format, styles, and HTML is only for content and structure. Here's our task list in this section. First, we will be updating our admin menu with icon images. Then we create a CSS file and we update the JSP file accordingly, and